Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. If you love watching home organizing, home decor, cleaning routines, meal planning, DIY videos, in short, everything related home and life, then subscribe to Home #Life not to miss new uploads and find us on Instagram and Facebook for more pictures, videos and life updates. Can you recall those crazy situations where we need to find that particular favorite dress for our kids and we hunt the whole house down? Yes, it happens in all homes, and that's why we need just a little care and just a little organizing to ensure there is no panic, no waste of time, and we can find things exactly when we need them. With that, let me dive straight into today's video, which is all about helping our kids learn to organize their wardrobe. So let's get started. Okay, now let me touch upon two parts in this video about this custom-made wardrobe itself and how I have organized it. As I am getting many requests, I will share a separate video for the entire woodwork details in our daughter's room. Just to give you a fair idea, this wardrobe is made right here in our home, designed by me and made by our carpenter. Size of these two wardrobe is 3 feet each and height of the wardrobe is 9 feet. Outside on doors and drawers, I have used matte finish laminate. Handles are inspired by this knob. If you are organizing for the first time, take a good hard look at all clothes and accessories. Emptying entire wardrobe can be overwhelming, but this way we will be left with plenty of clear space. This will help us to think clearly about our needs. If you are reorganizing, begin by discarding all those clothes that the kids have outgrown or those that have worn out with time. Sorting gives us a fair idea of how many of each type the kids have. Or many wear at home clothes and less fancy clothes. Sorting will give us the right picture and will make sure that clothes serve the right purpose for the right occasion. So here we go. Sort according to frocks, skirts, pants, tops, bottoms, school uniforms, handkerchiefs and so on. Always hang clothes according to size. Long ones like party dresses, frock on the right, slowly moving left with the shorter ones. As you can see here, I have kept all her party dresses on the right and followed by half sleeve t-shirts, full sleeves, shrugs, etc. This gives it a neat look and makes clothes visible. You know the best part of this exercise? Kids will wear more variety. If they cannot see or find what they have, they will keep wearing the same thing over and over again. Do let me know in the comment section how many of you have already faced this. Most of us hang school dresses after ironing them so that it will not have folding creases, right? But the problem is kids cannot reach there. They will keep calling you during those morning rush hour when you are short on time, making breakfast, packing lunch boxes and whatnot. So keeping clothes within their reach will always be a practical move when we are organizing their closet. As you can see, all her school uniforms are nicely organized in this bottom drawer. I love to organize any space with baskets, but without overdoing it. Baskets always help any space to look neat or clean without much effort. Do you agree with me? You can either DIY them or get some organizers or baskets. The kind of baskets is very important so that the children can easily operate them. Baskets should not be too heavy. Kids won't be able to manage. If they are too light, they will get damaged easily. So pick baskets that are sturdy yet easy to operate.
That's the day I'm having right now. I pinch my arm to believe. I wish I could stay right here and never leave. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. I don't want this day to end.
Days you can label according to the clothes you have sorted so that kids can easily refer which basket holds what. Make sure to be crisp and clear in your labeling. Now you don't really need shelf liners if the surface is laminated. Nevertheless, it will be a great option to maintain the shelves neatly. I am placing these wrapping papers on this wire pull-out so that it will give a nice look as they are see-through. This first drawer holds all her leg wears like leggings, jeans, shorts, patiala, etc. This drawer holds inner garments and a few accessories like belts, hats, sunglasses, etc. On the right is a miscellaneous basket where she likes to keep her dress up and accessories for her pretend play. I have used this hook rail to hang umbrella, sling bags and any dress which she has worn only once. No need to wash right away but cannot be mixed with fresh clothes. If you cannot drill hole on the door, use this type of over the door hooks to utilize the door space. This type of baskets are also great to hang on the door to keep their lotions, powders, brushes handy. We can also keep file folders to store any school receipts or documents for the easy access. We can use double-side tape or command strips to hang it on the door. Micro-organizing is all about the larger picture. If kids can rightly place things in an overall manner, that is more than sufficient. While we are organizing their space, we need to keep in mind that accessibility is the key to make our kids self-sufficient and motivate them to keep their space organized. Here I want to add my 2 cents worth tips as a parent. Let us not pressurize them to be too perfect. Always praise them and motivate them for maintaining the space tidy. In inculcate the habit of always putting away folded clothes back into the wardrobe before going to bed or during any time of the day. And never forget to inspect their wardrobe time to time to manage your own expectations. Lastly, let's teach our kid how important it is to share spaces. It could be with a partner or a sibling. Respect for one another's space is really important. I have kept all her night dresses and daily wear dresses in this drawer. Also, I like to keep the top and bottom together like this so that my daughter can find the pair easily.
Wait up, sundown, wait a while. There's no reason to be fast. So wait up, sundown, wait a while. Please let this moment last.
Imagine opening a wardrobe and the contents just fall onto you. Now imagine the same cupboard looking so tidy, neat and organized. Which do we prefer? They are little children after all. Let them learn by making mistakes and eventually they will surely learn what we parents also have to practice. A place for everything and everything in its place. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful and also share this video with moms like us who love organized home and organized life. If you wish, you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more videos, pictures and life updates, and also subscribe to Home #Life for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.
And this is my favorite pink one.
Mama made the labels for you. Where is the skirt?
Here.
Yes, please keep it there. Okay. Thank you for your help.
Oh,